here we are enjoying a little bit of life. Now, last night I had this epiphany because I've been doing Enagic now for 10 years. And when I started, my life was not the same at all. And I was going through and I was reflecting the past 10 years to where I was to where I am now. And it all started with a decision, a commitment to take action and never look back into my past. And so last night I was with my girls. I just purchased a condo that overlooks the river here, and I realized this is my 11th house since I started Enagic. I've purchased 11 houses, and every time I get a nicer house to live in, then I have some rentals too. I'm not here to brag at all. What I'm saying is this: 90% of people in this company fail. They never even make it to 2A, where other people have sold thousands of machines and they find it very simple. Well, what's the reasoning behind that? The reasoning behind some people being successful and other people not is not the company, it's not the compensation plan, it's not the machine, it is you. You have to become the leader that people are looking for. So in order to get into this a little bit more, those of you that follow me, you probably know that I started a New Year, New You for February 1st, for the new year. What we did is we took on 30 students, and I pretty much said, look, you give me your time for the next 6 months. And there was an upfront investment, quite a large investment. I said, if I work with you and I put you through the training system that we created, if after 6 months you don't make your money back in either sales or something else, if you don't make your money back, I will give you your money back, because that's how much I believe in my coaching abilities and my training programs. And so guess what? The results were outstanding. Oh my goodness. We had people that gone through the program. You can go on my YouTube channel and check it out. There's several testimonies there. But one of my favorites is one of my gals in California. This woman, she says, Amanda, this was like 2 months into the program. She says, I don't call you Amanda anymore. I said, really? What do you call me? She's like, well, I didn't sell one machine today. I sold 3. You are now Angel. I said, oh, that's so sweet. And you know how good that makes me feel? Because this is a client that had not a lot of experience before, and she wasn't making a lot of sales. To then jump into the program and in one day make 3 sales just shortly after joining the program. Then we have another gal from Canada. This gal had been in the company for 2 entire years with no sales at all, and she was spending money every single month in Facebook ads, like flushing money down the toilet. Second month in, she sells 4 machines her second month. Incredible results, and there's many more, so just check them out on the YouTube channel. So here's the deal. We are at it again, and this time we have that secret sauce like I described, the training systems. But we're tweaking the system a little bit, because what we realized is it's not going to take us 6 months. 6 months was a long time, because 3 months was really the sweet spot. That's when everyone got all the knowledge, all the information, started doing their own demos, started doing events, started getting the most results. And then I've been there through the last 3 months just to be there with questions and answers. But we can accomplish this in just 3 months. So starting August 15th, it's your lucky day. If you're serious about this business and changing your future, then what we've got for you is incredible. Here are the different benefits. So I'm going to walk through these. This is over a $7,000 value. So the first thing you're going to be getting is the Getting Started Kit, which includes the ORP meter for doing demos. So this is valued at over $120. You're also going to get water containers. So once you start getting clients coming to you, you're going to have to go out there and purchase bags, equipment, things to start your business. I'm going to cover that for you. So I'm going to be gifting you Getting Started bags that you can go out there and give to people. And then we're going to get the Dr. Parker protocol books, the chemical-free home, the chemical-free kitchen, and a bunch of digital download products. So that in itself is worth over $400 of value in just the first bonus. Now the second bonus you're going to receive is the laptop lifestyle. So this goes and sells for $997. This program has been featured with Jack Canfield. Those of you that know Jack Canfield, he's the author of Chicken Soup for the Soul. I was interviewed by him because of this amazing training program, and it teaches you how to go online and start your business. So you get that complimentary. Next thing, you get the Becoming 6A training system. With 10 years of experience, what I've done for you is I've took all the knowledge in my mind and I've taken a shortcut for you. So instead of it taking 10 years, you're gonna get all of my knowledge in 3 months. Anything from how to create your first sale, to following up, to closing, to overcoming objections. You're gonna get all of it. All of my secret tips are in there. You're also gonna get the New Year, New You recordings. So as you know, I had 30 students we took through the courses. You're gonna get to watch me coach them. You're also gonna be getting the PowerPoints, the digital downloads, the homework assignments. Now here's where it really gets exciting. Personal mentor and success coach. So I have personally mentored 5 trainees or coaches. So you're gonna get equipped with one of my coaches for the next 3 months and beyond. So these coaches have been personally mentored by me. They're gonna coach you, step you through, step by step by step. You're gonna have them in your back pocket. Anytime you need assistance, they're always gonna be there for you. So you have that, it's hand holding. You're also gonna receive private Facebook group. That's valued at $9.97. So this group is where you can bring any questions. I'll be posting in there all of the time. I'll be going live in there to help interact with you guys and work with you. The Facebook group is $9.97. On top of that, I mean, the bonuses just keep going. You're gonna get weekly questions and answers with a private Zoom with me, with your coaches for $9.97. That's every single week we're gonna be working together. Now the last bonus here is incredible, and I'll be talking a little bit more about this in just a second, but this is the mindset. The mindset is really everything. And for those of you that are already in Enagic, in the company, and you're not in my team, that's okay, because you can purchase this aspect for $1,497. That's gonna be a 3-month coaching Zoom call every single week with homework. You're working with me to overcome your subconscious mind and get the things that you deserve to have out of life easily and effortlessly, and realize that they're coming to you. You just need to change your thoughts and behaviors and realign them to where you want to go in life. So that is all included. It's a $1,497 value. So all those things included, it's over $7,000 of value. Now that you know what is all included in the upcoming training course, I want to talk a little bit more about the mindset portion of this. Because as I said at the beginning, some people in this company, or just in sales in general, can't make things happen no matter what they do. They try, and nothing happens. Whereas other people are selling thousands of these units and it seems simple to them. Why is that? It's not the company, it's not the product, it's you. So we have to work on your mindset. Notice I said mindset, because you have a set of habits and beliefs that got you to where you're at. And if you don't take off that lid and really expand your mind and rise into other things out there, you're gonna be capped. So part of my journey here is to help you understand you and how you function. Because I went through a lot of coaching myself over the last 10 years of this business. I learned from people like Bob Proctor.
Read Amanda's energy like a book. Amanda, you are a very disciplined person. You got very strong energy. You'll go right through a wall to make things happen. You want to follow somebody who's going to win, you get on her wagon. I'm going to tell you, she knows where she's going, this girl.
Dr. Joe Dispenza, Jeffrey Combs, JT Fox, Robert Kiyosaki. So what I learned is that our mind controls almost every aspect of your life. And whatever you want in life, you can have, but you have to see it first in your mind. There has to be an image in your mind first. So it's the thought that creates the image. That is your goal. So in this 3-month coaching program, we're going to talk about you and your goals, where you see yourself, your future memory. Then I'm going to teach you some strategies I learned about how to make that mind-body connection to help pull these things into your life a lot faster with ease. So we're going to be going over your goal. We're going to be going over how to actually recondition your mind, your paradigm from those old habits and beliefs, and pretty much stop that negative stinking thinking and jump you on to the accelerated thinking where you deserve to be. So if that's something that you're interested in this program, just realize successful people take action. Unsuccessful people take a really long time to get started, and once they do, they tend to back out. That comes right from my coach, Bob Proctor. Bob Proctor is the master of success, and you're going to learn a lot of the strategies I teach are from Bob Proctor. So that being said, are you wanting to take action and be successful, or are you wanting to sit on the fence and just watch from the outside, and then 10 years later you're looking back thinking, gosh, I wish I would have just took action? So this isn't for skeptical people, this is for serious people that really want to change their future. So the next step for you is going to be clicking the link below. Once you do that, it'll take you to my website. At the bottom of that website, there is a link to purchase your K8. So for the price of the K8, you get everything we talked about, which has over a $7,000 value, and that doesn't even include the K8 unit. So all you got to do is purchase the K8 paid in full, and one of my professional sales members will contact you, and they'll get you enrolled in the program and get you an accountability coach that fits best with you. So once we do that, now you're in the training program. It's a very limited training program. We don't have 1,000 spots available. We have a very limited amount of spots. So that's why I say again, if you're serious, take action right away so we can begin to change your future. And until we see you in the upcoming course, be happy, be healthy, and be free. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. You got the turning the bell on. You're also on my Facebook page and my Instagram page, so you can always stay connected to me. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be free.